This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable dark theme in Gmail. I'll be using a desktop PC to do this. I'm going to jump over to my web browser here. Okay, first thing you'll need to do is log into your Gmail account, of course. And then you will go up to the little gear wheel in the upper right hand corner. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Settings. You want to click on that. Then you will go down to where you see it says Theme. And off to the right hand side you'll see it says View All. And this gives you a wide variety of themes you could use, background themes for your Gmail. If you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see this white colored one here. And if you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Default. That's the default Gmail theme. The one right next to it, you'll see it says Dark. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Dark. That is the dark theme. You want to select that one. And then you'll go down to the lower right hand corner and click on Save. And as you can see now, my Gmail is in dark theme. That is how you set dark theme in Gmail. Thanks for watching.